welcome to my channel. If you're looking for some very easy job and you want to earn in dollars, this is the right video for you. Today I'm going to talk about a website or a platform which is very unique and which offers very unique job. The job is what I'm talking about is editing job. If you love books, reading books, or you're well versed in English, this is a very easy job for you. What you're going to do is there are variety of documents. Like resumes, stories, like academic papers, test papers, courses. There are so many courses, so many documents these companies having. And what you're going to do is you have to do a editing job. In this job, what you have to do is go through the papers and find any grammatical errors or spelling mistakes, and you have to correct them. That's it. This is a very easy job, and anyone who have a basic knowledge of English can do this job. And even if you don't know anything about this job and you are interested in the job, I will give you a superb AI tool where you can use it and earn immediately. Let's go to the website. This is my blog, daytodayreads.com. Just go to work from home. Here, there are so many articles I have written, and each article has a link to the job. Today, what you are going to do is work from home job from papertrue.com. I have given the details about the company in this article. You can go through the article. And let's see how to apply for the job. If you come below the article, there is join here. Please click this. Editing and proofreading services. Papertrue is providing editing and proofreading services to many people, to many big companies all over the world, and they are in need of freelancers. And they are not one or two; they are hiring thousands of freelancers for this job. The company is very well versed, and they are giving services for business, academic writings, authors, and job applicants. So, if you are interested in any of this, you can easily apply for this job. If you come down this website, you can see how it works and the companies associated and just trusted around the world. You can see all the reviews here like Google reviews, SiteJabber and all. They have given very good rating, and this is a very trusted site. There are two ways to earn from here. First one is partner with us. Here you can earn rewards by becoming an affiliate. That is, if you refer this paper to other companies, you will get affiliate commission. The other way is jobs. Press this. Freelance editor, other roles. Let's see freelance editor. How to join this editing team? If you are very good in editing or if you have good knowledge in English, this is a very good opportunity for you to. And what will you do here as a freelance editor? You have to copy, edit, and proofread a huge variety of documents like it can be essays, dissertation, resumes, website content, newsletters, novels, screenplays, anything and everything is there. And you can choose your work according to your wish. Improve language and writing style. You have to read those documents and improve the language if there is any grammatical errors, are there any punctuation errors, are there any the words, the context is wrong, or the words have been used wrongly in wrong places. Those things you have to correct. Eliminate errors in documents. As I told you, have to correct them. You have to replace with the correct spellings or correct words. You have to format according to the style as they mention you. Provide the feedback to the writers so that the writers will not commit the similar mistakes again and improve their writing. And you will get a great opportunity to work with writers around the world who have very in-depth knowledge about their writing. You can also build a good editorial portfolio for yourself. What they are looking for, should have good research skills, do good language skills. They are giving you very flexible working hours. You can work in your free hours and whatever hours you choose. Even if you're working somewhere else, you can do this as a part-time job. Get in-depth training and feedback from our in-house experts. They have an expert team who will give you training even if you are new to the job. Earn based on your work quality and throughput with incentives. See, if your work is good, they will give you more addition, more commissions, more incentives. Our hiring process is very simple. First, you have to apply for this job, then attempt an online test, wait a week for our confirmation, and then join the team. Here, applying is very easy. Just press apply now. and just apply here. And they will give you a test. You can attend this test. I will now tell you how to do this test. You can go to Google and search for Quillbot. Open this. This is a very good AI tool. Quillbot is a very good AI tool which helps you in writing. It has a paraphraser. That is, if you're going to rewrite any content, this tool is very useful. There is a grammar checker. You can just copy the document given from the paper true and put it here, and it will correct the mistakes and give it to you. And there is a plagiarism checker which will tell you whether the paper is copied or not. And AI deductor, and there is a summarizer. If there is a big essay and the paper two is asking you to summarize it, this is very easy. Quillbot is both has a paid version and a free version, and but you can just use the free version to you do your work. See, I'm opening the grammar checker. You have to just copy your text and it will give the answers here readily. So this is a very easy AI tool for you to work in PaperTrue. Hope friends, this PaperTrue has been very useful for you. Please apply to this job and continue watching my channel.